Ashwini, please. Please. Just 2 minutes, huh? I'm just downloading the slides and then we'll start. Yeah, we can start. I'm live now. Let me share my slides. Whether my slides are visible? Okay, fine, good. Hello friends, good afternoon. Myself Sri Krishna and Joshi, and we have completed the automation in manufacturing web course this year as well successfully. I thank you all for showing interest in this very good or you can say very important industrial course, that is automation in manufacturing. I got very good response. The number of enrollers are very high. Moreover, the number of candidates, those who have registered, also very encouraging. And the number of candidates are more than the last year candidates. I got very good suggestions and feedback from all the learners and all you can say the candidates or aspirants, those who want to go for the examination. Well, we finished all 12 weeks, and around 30 hours of rigorous content has been completed. And let us just have a recap of the content. I will just quickly go through the content and then I would like related to this course. Well, we started with the objective of the course. Of course, it was to study the principle of automation and then various equipments being used in the industry to understand the fundamentals of the mechatronic system and how to design and develop automated equipment product systems which are required in the manufacturing. The main objective is to sensitize the budding engineers or the students to get the knowledge of this this multidisciplinary course, which is having the concepts from electronics, from mechanical engineering, from computer science engineering, and the controls engineering. So then with this, we have seen uh, 12 weeks. No, the first week was the introduction week. We have seen the importance of automation in the manufacturing industry. Then what are the various mechatronic systems which are required to required at the shop floor or in the industry. Then in the next week, we have seen how to build up a automated system. What are its building blocks? What are the principle of working of all these blocks, and some examples related to automated system. Then we started discussing about the fabrication. So when we take up automation related projects for a bachelor's technology project or the master's technology project, or even for even startups, to have some startups or to have the real life products, fabrication. So and most of the electronics or electrical students, they are having the limited you can say limited exposure to the fabrication process. In view of this, a week was dedicated to the fabrication of the components, basically basic manufacturing processes. Then we started the rigorous study of sensors, various sensors which are being used in the industry and which are required to develop the automated system, construction and principle of operation of all the sensors. Then we have seen the microprocessor technology, which is the brain of the mechatronics based automated systems, the meaning of signal conditioning, data acquisition, use of microprocessors and controllers, difference between the microcomputer and microcontroller, its configurations working. Most of the things have already been covered by all of you in some other in some core courses, or other than the core courses such as the elective courses. However, we have dedicated one complete week for the microprocessor technology. Then the electrical drives, which is very crucial component or element of any automated system, that we have seen what is the selection criteria, construction, operation principle. Then ball screws, the mechanisms, mechanical elements which are required in the building up of the system. So various ball screws, linear motion bearings, cams, and systems controlled by these cam and camshafts. Mechanisms pertaining to indexing, which is very important for any automated assembly system or any automated, you can say, inspection system, packaging system, painting system, or scribing system. Tool magazines, transfer systems. Then we have seen the hydraulic systems. What is the meaning of hydraulic power pack? What are the various pumps used in the industry? Valves. There are various types of valves. How to designate the valves? What is the graphical representation? How to design the hydraulic circuits and how to read the hydraulic circuits? How to comprehend the hydraulic circuits? That also we've seen in a detailed way. Then in course in week 11, we have seen pneumatic systems. Although pneumatic systems are that not widely used as a drive, but they are a very good auxiliary equipment or auxiliary systems, and their configurations various types of elements such as compressors, valves, distribution and conditioning. All the basic fundamentals we have learned. Moreover, how to designate or how to represent the pneumatic systems, very similar to the concepts of hydraulic systems, that also we have studied. In the last week, we studied the very, you can say, the best and a very simple example of automated system is a CNC based control systems or CNC based machine tools. So the CNC technology, it's various components, interpolators, the concept of interpolation, and comprehensive programming assignment or lecture that we have gone through in this particular course. Fine. So with this particular, or you can say a brief introduction or to this today's class, I now would like to have some questions. Well, now I will be I will stop sharing the screen and then we can go for the questions. Fine. Let me go through the web. Yeah, fine. Right. So there are some students I could see. Dhaval is there. Then Mayur Prasad. Right. Very good. Fine. The learners may ask now the questions. Yeah, I got a very basic question by a student. He's saying that what is the career options in automation in manufacturing? So that is the question I got. The automation in manufacturing has a wide scope in the industry. This is very useful. Now all the systems or all the you can say manufacturing or other related or even transport conveyance systems are automated, my friends. So everywhere the automation is required, and there are various ways to have or to develop your own career. The first aspect in automation in manufacturing career would be to choose your particular interest or strength. For example, a person is very strong in control systems. So you can make career in the control of the equipment at the shop floor or at the automated system. Some students or some engineers may be very good at the soft skills or the software analysis. So a lot of data is getting generated. You have to develop the control system softwares. You have to develop the communication softwares, and that is one thing. Or the CAD CAM is also part of the automation in industry. So you can make career in a CAD, that is a computer aided design, or you can make career in computer aided manufacturing. The next is the product design itself. So if somebody is interested to have some novel concepts that to be realized, so in that case you have to look around, go to the society, look at the society or the people around, see what problems the society is facing, and then can we have some solution to these problems by using these concepts of the automation. So automation is nothing but like in our first week itself we have discussed, we are making use of electronics, or we are applying the electronics to enhance the mechanics or to replace the mechanics. So here mechanisms always we are being used, but by electronics can we enhance their efficiency, the quality of operation, that we have to see. Then the next question, how to test a software? Okay. The Shreyansh Dharmendra has asked. Sorry, this question is out of the scope of this particular course, that is how to test software. It's not part of this course. Kishan is asking like, sir, for exam preparation lectures are sufficient or any book we need to read? If you have listened all the web, all the video lectures, or you have watched the video lectures, that itself is sufficient. I have circulated the slides, and these slides are available. And like regularly, our team has posted the slides to all the learners. Moreover, to have more knowledge about that, any concept, you can go through the books. However, for the examination, I think the video content and the slides are sufficient. The exam would be very simple, my friends, and it will have 50 questions. Am I audible? Hello? Oh, okay. So let us wait for a few minutes. If no more questions, then we can wind up, right? Okay. Yeah, Kishan is asking, the last thing you said was not clear due to connectivity problem. Yeah, sure, I will repeat. The question paper will have 50 questions. And these questions are MCQ, that is a multiple choice questions. Each question will have 4 probable answers, and only one answer is correct. And you have to choose that correct answer. Each question is carrying 2 marks. So 15 to 2, the total paper is of 100 marks and the duration is 3 hours. And the questions are based upon the things or the content that we studied in last 12 weeks. So it is a theory, the symbols or the graphical representation, the practical things that we have studied, and some numericals. The course is 30 hours and it's quite comprehensive, and it's a full-fledged course of 3 credits. Kishan, right? It is okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, NPTEL team will wait for 2 more minutes. If no more questions, then we can wind up. Okay. Is that fine? Okay. So here in Excel sheet, I could see only 2 questions and I answered both the questions. Okay. Yeah. Fine. I think there are no more questions. With this, I once again say thank to all of you for enrolling this course, and I'm also thank to all those who have registered for the examination of this course. I wish all them best for their examinations, and I also wish all the best to all the learners, those who have taken this course for their study. And see you. Thank you and goodbye. Yeah, fine. Shall I stop now?